And we're fortunate to have Professor Alok Satpathy, sir, who is one of the most beloved professors in NITR right now. And I'd love to invite him to share his views. Sir, would you please?
Thank you, Maitri. Good evening to one and all. Actually, I had a bad throat yesterday, and I told Dhirendra I may not be able to speak, but he prescribed me some medicines, and he told that, sir, you take these medicines, but you have to speak. So, thank you, Dhirendra. Your medicines worked, and I'm in a position to speak a few, share of my feelings. First of all, for the seniors who do not know me, I am Alok Satpathy. I am a teacher in REC Raurkala and subsequently NIT Raurkala for quite some time. I joined in '93, and it is the same year when the authors of this book, Dhirendra and Himanshu, they also joined. We joined together. I joined as a teacher, they joined as students. So this particular batch, '93, '97 batch, this all the students are very close to me because we were contemporary that way. But I belong to mechanical department, so I'm fortunate that they have not given me any nickname and included in the book. Today I'll be speaking very briefly. I realize the constraint of time. Very briefly, a few sentences on the book and a few sentences on my feelings as a teacher over a very long period of about 29 years. Now for the book I will tell. And पहले तो इसका जो टाइटल है बहुत अच्छा है, मेरा भी प्रॉक्सी मार देना। तो मैं यहाँ बोलूंगा कि एक मुझे लाइन याद आ रहा है जिसको मैं कंपोज किया थोड़ा दूसरा शायरी से जोड़ के कि because I had been dean academics, I had been associate dean academics, and I know the attendance rules of NIT Rourkela, how strict they are. And although I for my students who are present here, I think Jitesh is there. Jitesh is there. I was able to, yes, he is there, and he knows, and many students know that for last 25 years I had not taken attendance. I do not believe in the attendance system. I never take attendance. Students still come to my class, and on the first day itself I tell that no attendance. Don't come to the class for attendance. Anyway, I'll start with a stanza that और मैं जानता हूँ attendance के लिए कितने सारे कानून बना है। तो कि कानून बना है माना कि कानून बना है पर प्रक्सी मारना कहाँ मना है. So with this note I will I will tell that the naming of the book, the title of the book has been very interesting, and I'm sharing this book and information about the book to all my present students through the WhatsApp groups and all, and most of them are commenting that the name is very good, the title is very good. So Mera Bhi Proxy Mardana is an excellent book, and I the moment I got information about this book, I immediately ordered it online. I got it. By the time I got it, I also got the news from Dhirendra that they have sent me a book, personal copy by post. So I have two books with me. And this book says, see, 4 years of stupidity, madness, and brilliance. Yeah, I agree with this. These are 4 years of stupidity, but it is stupidity with innocence. There is madness, fine, there is, but this is madness with absolute sanity, and there is brilliance, but this is brilliance with brightness. So it has been a wonderful book. Some of the chapters that I have read this book, I read this book in the first 2-3 days itself, and then some of the chapters, like one chapter is Gurukul Gurus, I found it very interesting. Then Maha and Purush, that chapter also, if you have not gone through, please go through these chapters twice at least. They are very interesting. And there is a chapter, मेरे से नहीं बन पाएगा, मेरे से नहीं बन पाएगा, एक chapter है. That chapter is dedicated to one single guy, Virdi. Dhirendra, are you listening? Virdi means that Virinder Singh Virdi, I think, Sardar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
I clearly remember his face, and if I remember correctly, then this person, this Virinder Singh Virdi 97 batch, was from, although he's a Punjabi, he was from Himachal Pradesh, Bhakra Nangal.
Yes,
Somewhere
sir. He was
that
from
state,
Nangal.
yes.
That's right.
And he's in
Yes.
Australia now. Yes.
Yes, that's right.
So it has been a passion of mine to remember my students and their even nowadays I remember their children also. So I remember almost 4,000-5,000 names even today. So in my class, proxy would not have worked even if I would have taken attendance, because I know everyone by name. So this book has been very fantastic, and I compliment, congratulate, and salute Dhirendra and Himanshu both for writing this book and making so many people nostalgic. I can see senior sirs like Atul sir, Pradhan sir, and Tripathi sir, Colonel Tripathi, Dr. Kuntia, all they were very nostalgic. Rao sir, and they were very nostalgic because of this book. And today we are here because of this book. So once again, I request all of you, if you have not gone through this book, then please go through this book. And I have committed to Dhirendra that I'll also give a video review on this book in my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Fifth Quadrant. Let me do a little bit of marketing of that. My YouTube channel is Alok Sir Speaks, and another YouTube channel is the Fifth Quadrant. So in the Fifth Quadrant, I'll very soon, probably in the next week, I'll give a video review of this